Hello, welcome to my fusion cooking today, and I'm gonna show you how to make this is my first video. I'm going to show you how to make easy peasy fried rice. Okay, first we have to heat it up the oil. We put the oil. Not too much, otherwise it'll go very greasy. Then wait until it's hot. Try to move it around so it will not stick, the rice not stick to the pan. I think that's hot enough. So first we have to put the garlic. Wait until it's brown. And if you want to put some onion, you have to put at the same time, but you put it on the side. So garlic, chop garlic and chop a bit of onion there. Okay. Wait until it's brown again, and if you want to put some onion, you have to put at the same time, but you put it on the side. So garlic, chop garlic and chop a bit of onion there. Okay. Wait until it's brown again. Let's keep stirring until it's golden brown. Nearly there. And you can put a little bit of chorizo or whatever you need, whatever you want to put, ham or maybe spam, whatever. It's up to you. Okay, and next one, make your taste with it. Right, keep stirring. Nearly there. Before you put the other ingredients, first I made already the rice so that it will be ready there. You can either put cold rice that you put overnight from the fridge, or you cook the rice first and then you fry it. Okay? But you just scoop it. This is my easy way fried rice. It's very easy to make. Oh, it's a bit too hot, but it doesn't matter really. Maybe lower than the fire. It's a bit too. I think that's enough. And stir a little bit more. Keep stirring until it's all mixed up. Then you can mix the other ingredients, like you put carrot on and mix carrot and peas, or you can put corn as well if you would like to. Red pepper if you want to, but it's up to you. So nearly done. Stirring. Then you put a bit of soy sauce, dash of soy sauce, so it tastes a bit. Not too much because it's a bit salty. And some more garlic that is already, it's a granule garlic, so you can buy it in the any supermarket. And a bit of pepper. Spice it up. The last one that you can put either spring onion, but I don't have that one at the moment, so there's no need to put it. A little bit of beef cubes, a bit more tasty. No need to put the whole a bit more stirring, so we can stick at the bottom of the pan. With a taste of it, let's see if it's all mix up. There's a lot. It goes down. Nearly ready. Turn up the fire. Doing that like 15 minutes. There you go. And there you go. That's my easy peasy fried rice. So if you want to leave a comment and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.